This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota Corolla Gli manual. First, familiarize yourself with the 3 pedals: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. To start, press the clutch all the way down, shift into first gear, and slowly release the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator. This coordination is key to a smooth start without stalling the engine. Smooth gear changes are essential for a comfortable ride. When accelerating, shift to a higher gear as your engine RPMs increase, usually between 2,500 and 3,000. To shift up, ease off the accelerator, press the clutch fully, select the next gear, then slowly release the clutch while gently applying gas. When slowing down, downshift to a lower gear to maintain control and prepare for acceleration. Always ensure the clutch is fully depressed before shifting to prevent grinding. Once you're comfortable with basic shifting, consider advanced techniques. Engine braking helps slow the car by releasing the accelerator while in gear, reducing wear on your brakes, especially on long descents. For hill starts, use the parking brake to hold the car, then release the clutch to the biting point, apply gas, and release the parking brake simultaneously. Always prioritize safety by maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles and anticipating traffic changes. Regular maintenance keeps your Corolla Gli running smoothly. Check your engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid levels monthly and ensure your tire pressure is correct. Pay attention to any unusual sounds from the engine or transmission, as these can indicate potential issues. Addressing small problems early can prevent costly repairs down the line. Also, for those looking to simplify their meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.